Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Rise to Speak on your accounts on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings. Now click chat settings. Now here you will find it. Rise to Speak. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on Rise to Speak on your accounts on Telegram. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.